What's up, everybody? Christy with Christy Outdoors, and today I just got off the phone with Jacob Nixon. Guess what? He's out inverting some peanuts, so we're headed to the field right now. Gonna go check in with him. Stay tuned. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. This has got to be the spot, because look, there's the truck. Looks familiar. Yep, Nixon Farms. Sorry for hitting the window there, but we're in the right spot. All right, everyone, as the sun goes down in beautiful Baker, Florida, the peanuts are coming up. Like I said, I finally found Jacob Nixon here in a field off Steel Road. And Jacob, correct me if I'm wrong, but this process is called inverting the peanuts.
That's correct.
All right, everyone, you've seen the rest of the process after this. Gets shipped off in a semi-trailer. It goes to Headland, Alabama, made into peanut butter, Snicker bars, whatever they use peanuts for. So I just wanted to show you guys a short little video of this process. Wanna be a farmer, wanna learn to plow a row. Well, everyone, that'll do it for today. Sun's going behind those trees and calling it a night. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Christy Outdoors.